12 About Town today. Sponsored by CoStar Group.
Hello, I'm Candace Smith and welcome to 12 About Town today. As you can see, we've got our good friend, my boo Jonathan H. Miller back in the studio. We are getting you ready for poolside essentials, things that we need. And I think you've got us covered here. I don't even know where I want to start. Well, maybe with what you got in your hand.
You know, everything starts with a game.
Come on, let's see.
Let me tell you, this is one of my favorite things in the world.
Oh, I need to practice on that.
We'll let you go again. The inflatable
there we go.
bowling set. I mean, who's not going to have fun with that outside? That's adults and kids alike.
Okay.
And everything floats, so it can also go in the pool.
Love it.
You know, so it's a nice little float around little device at the same time.
Are there
so
weights at
adults
the
can
bottom or am I that
There
weak?
are not.
Oh, I'm just
There
that
are not.
weak.
Sorry.
Okay, great. It's all right. We'll work with it. I love it.
So after you wear yourself out a little bit, you're going to need to lounge. So that's where we've got this fabulous, lightweight adult lounger.
I would love to lounge right now.
You know?
That's a nice size. I mean, you're not short, Jonathan. That's is the length of you.
It is. And there, and see, now it's going to lay down.
There it goes.
Oh, well, we'll let it go.
Yeah.
It's going to lay down with beside the bowling balls. But with that in the pool, which it's trying to do on this blue floor, who doesn't need a floating bar? And now this is my absolute favorite thing in the world because this literally can go in your pool.
Yes.
You can have your cocktails in there. You can have a little snack, which we'll move to in just a minute. And then, you know, we'll get back to those too. But this is the thing with the snack.
This is so cute.
Kids need to eat. Nobody wants to use a paper plate because that bends, things fall in the pool. So I found this at Barnes & Noble.
Yeah.
It is this amazing little picnic set that, as you can see with Miss Candace, it's also cute to carry.
It is.
And go along with you.
It is so sweet.
It's easy. It zips up.
Yeah.
And then for those, you know, moms out there, I brought you back a new set of the weighted pillows.
When I say I love these so much, you guys.
They still shop. And this you need beside your pool because it goes on your float. If it's outside the pool, these are not going to blow out. You're going to be good.
Yes.
Everything is going to be set for you and you're going to have an amazing day at the pool.
These are really weighted, y'all. Like this one is actually weighted. This is heavy.
They're not going anywhere.
No.
And these are from Wugs Willows. The pillows are from Wugs Willows. All of the rest of the blow-ups are from a company called Funboy out of California.
Okay.
It's a family-owned company. Everything is really sturdy, hardy plastic. So it is going to actually stay. You're going to have it good for years. They give you instructional videos on everything.
Oh, lovely.
Everything blows up so simple. You use their pump. It takes probably 3 to 5 minutes.
Oh, perfect.
And you're set to go.
Because with kids, you don't have a lot of time. Once they see this out, you better have it up and ready for them to play. Oh my goodness, 3 to 5 minutes, and you said Funboy.
Funboy.
But we don't have to worry about that because we can go to your page.
All you have to do is go to my blog, jonathanhmiller.com. The QR code is on the screen right now. You have links for everything here, the pillows, the picnic set, the bowling, everything you need is right there.
Yeah, and this is fun for the family, but this, I could see this being a nice little girls' day in the pool, maybe some mimosas or, something fun in these little cup holders. I don't know if you guys can see that far away, but they're cup holders in this floaty thing.
Here.
What would you call this thing?
Oh, it's a floating.
It's just a floating.
It's a floating bar.
There you go. Look, they got us. You see the cup holders?
It's a floating bar. It comes in pink, yellow, and blue.
A floating bar.
You know, Candace, a year ago we did Barbie, and that's what drew me to this site is they have an entire Barbie line.
Oh, okay, Barbie fans.
So pink is the way to go right there.
Yes, indeed. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Funboy here with this, with everything, basically, except the pillows.
And the Wugs Willows, the weighted pillows, those are the things I am very much testifying about. I'm like, you've got to have these weighted pillows, so then that way everything is set on your outdoor space.
And we're saying Wugs and Willows because they have rugs as well that would also be nice by a pool or something like that as well.
And as you can see, it's weighted down because it's about to pull our bar over.
It really
is. Table.
It really is. So, Jonathan, now before we get ready to go, I think you have to bowl because please, redeem ourselves, okay? Because I was really not good at this. But this looks like fun for the whole family. So head over to Jonathan's website. There you go. He's taking it all down. That's a strike. You saw it here. Head over to his website if you want some of these summer poolside essentials. We'll be right back with more 12 About Town today.